So Steve, I got to tell you, man, you guys did an amazing job.
Thanks.
And it was quick. You guys are fast. I mean, you came in. It's not a huge area, but it's big enough, and it's intricate enough that you had to do some cutting, a lot of cutting. And the way, how'd the project go in general?
It went great. Like you said, we had a kind of a full court press to get it done. The process of clearing it out and getting our aggregate in and then putting the grass down, it was just 2 days it took us.
Yeah, when I originally brought this up to Wayne Brady, because obviously the show, Superstar Renovation, this was a big part of the show, was doing the outdoor space. There was a no-brainer. It was ForeverLawn on the way. Immediately, I said, we got to do ForeverLawn out here. This whole side of the yard is just completely transformed.
Absolutely.
It doesn't get any easier. I tell people, listen, you never have to water it. You're not wasting the money on water. It's always going to look great.
Yep.
It's always going to be green.
It always looks good.
It always looks good. And with the pavers, it's just a really nice match. It always looks good up against pavers. So I think, listen, he's going to be blown away. I mean, when Wayne sees this, he has no idea. He has no clue what the side yard looks like right now. He knows we're bringing in ForeverLawn.
Right.
But he has no idea what this is going to be.
Right.
Thank you again, man.
Likewise.
Nice job. You guys did an amazing
Appreciate it.
job, and I can't wait to see his reaction.
I'm so touched that she loved it. The fact that she loved it, I can sleep well tonight because I feel mission accomplished.
Finally.
More cornhole.
Let's go.